Don't be afraid.
But I'm scared of the dark.
My light is on.
I'm scared of the dark.
Don't be afraid.
But I'm scared of the dark.
You don't have to be afraid.
What was that noise? What could it be? Is there a monster coming for me?
It's okay, let's go check it out. Look, it's just some bats making a sound.
Bats? I'm afraid of bats.
Don't be scared of those bats. Don't be afraid. Be scared of those bats. We look a little humorous. Scared of those bats. Don't be afraid. Be scared of those bats. We just want to be your friend. We like to hang upside down in caves. We fly at night, but we sleep through the day. We love the dark where we can't be seen. We look different, but we are not mean.
Okay. Hi, I'm Tootie.
And I'm Flex. Nice to meet you, bat friends.
I always thought bats were mysterious because they fly in the dark. And now I know that even though you're different than us, you're still our friends.
Yeah! We're not scared of bats. We're not scary. Not scared of bats. Even though we're not scared of bats. We're not scary. Not scared of bats. Even though we're different.
It's nice to meet you, bat friends, but we're looking for our friend Fufa. We followed the flower path and they led us here.
Fufa? We know Fufa? Yeah, Fufa.
You know Fufa? Wow! Do you know where she is right now?
Sure. Just follow Fufa's flower path out to the other side of the cave.
All right.
Up in another room, thinking of you, wondering if you were with someone too. Are you with someone new? You could help me fall asleep. All I dream about is you and me.
You're on for quite a scare. Looks like you just saw a ghost. Tonight's we're gonna draw revaroom. Tonight's we're gonna draw revaroom. One of the fastest Pokemon from the Paldea region, and one of the fastest Pokemon for Scarlet and Violet. Attempt to catch up with his speed? Well, you just fell into a trap. Now let's get rubbing. There he is. That's how you draw revaroom.